Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll be unboxing the Apple's Magic Mouse which I purchased out of an Apple store here in Delhi. I recently got the MacBook Pro. Please check out my channel for videos of the unboxing of MacBook Pro in India. I thought I needed a mouse to go with it, so I picked up an Apple mouse to get the complete Apple experience. Now, before we get to the unboxing, I would like to show you what the box is all about. It's a pretty plain and simple box, white box, rectangular shape. At the back, you see it says Magic Mouse 2, common generic Magic Mouse 2. In the front, it just says Magic Mouse. It's the latest mouse from Apple available. Right? The retail price is for 6,600, and that's what I've got it for. You do not get discounts on Apple Store very easily. And you see some serial numbers, barcodes, designed by Apple California. And it says it requires Bluetooth enabled Mac with OS X 10.11 or later. Alright, without much ado, let's just get to the unboxing of this product. I've got a knife here, which I borrowed from the kitchen, by the way. I need to buy a better knife as well. So let's just get the plastic off. And, okay, pretty tightly wound. Cut all the sides. Okay. So I've got the film out, and then again at the back there's some stickers as well. Again it says Magic Mouse 2 MLA02C M/A. Right. Let's just quickly open the box. Yeah. Keeping that aside, let's keep the mouse aside for a minute. See what else is in the box. It says Magic Mouse 2. Some documentation from Apple. Apparently there are no Apple stickers. I think they generally give that with every Apple product. Nope, I don't see any sticker, but let's see what this is. Some other documentation. Let's keep all this aside for now. You also get a lightning cable in the box. But you do not get an adapter. So what this mouse is a rechargeable mouse. So typically you need to charge it with your lightning cable and connect it to your computer's USB or put it in an Apple charger. Switching it, there's a switch here. It switches on the mouse and it connects to your computer. Post this, you can switch it off. When it's gray, it's off. When it's green, it's on. It's very comfortable. This mouse seems to be, okay. And if you want to check the thickness of this is the MacBook thickness, just to compare it with the mouse. And the mouse is about that thick. This is again aluminum. I guess it's the same material that they use in the MacBook. I'm not sure. It's basically an alloy of magnesium and aluminum. At the bottom of the mouse it says designed by Apple California. Again, you have your 5-volt 1 ampere rating here and some other product information. Apple logo in the front. Left click and there's a right click option. And there's some gestures, cool gestures that you can try out with this. Simply, I believe you just tap twice, it'll zoom in. You can scroll up and down. It's basically a touch interface, and you can use 4 fingers to slide between 2 desktops or more when you use this product. Okay, that's about it, guys, for the unboxing. Do subscribe to our channel and click on the notifications button to get updates whenever I post videos. Thank you for joining in. I'll catch you in the next video. This is Ron signing off. Bye bye.